Well, Seymour, I made it, despite your directions.
Ah, Superintendent Chalmers, welcome. I hope you're prepared for an old luncheon.
Ah.
Oh, ye gods! My roast is old. But what if I were to purchase old food and disguise it as my own cooking? Delightfully old, Seymour.
Skinner with his
Old
explanations. The superintendent's gonna need his medication. When he hears Skinner's
old
exaggerations, there'll be trouble in town tonight.
Seymour!
Superintendent, I was just stretching my calves on the windowsill. Old exercise. Care to join me?
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, Seymour?
That isn't smoke. It's steam. Steam from the old clams we're having. Old clams.
Ooh.
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for old hamburgers.
I thought we were having old clams.
No, I said old hams. That's what I call hamburgers.
You call hamburgers
Old
hams?
Yes, it's an old dialect.
Uh-huh. What region?
Old New York?
Really? Well, I'm from Utica, and I've never heard anyone use the phrase
Old
hams.
Oh, not in Utica. No, it's an old expression.
I see. You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have at
Old
Burger.
Oh, no. Old Skinner Burgers. Old family recipe.
For
Old
hams.
Yes.
Yes, and you call them
Old
hams despite the fact they are obviously
old. You know, one thing I should... Excuse me for 1 second.
Of course.
Oh, well, that was old. Old time was had by all. I'm old.
Yes, I should be.
Old
Lord, what is happening in there?
Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Borealis. At this time of year, at this time of day, in this part of the country,
Old.
entirely within your kitchen.
Yes.
May I see it?
No.
Seymour! The house is...
Old. No, Mother, it's just the old lights.
Well, Seymour, you are an old fellow, but I must say, you steam an old ham.